This is the homework video for Monday the 14th. You got a worksheet, and on the worksheet it asks you to create an equation for each of the two tables, and then I also asked you to explain how you knew that both tables were proportional. Your explanation should show 4 reasons, the 4 reasons that we've been talking about in class. In order to write an equation for a table, the first thing you have to do is you have to put in the carets to show the change in the y column. Then you have to put in carets to show the change in the x column. And then you have to divide the change in y numbers by the change in x numbers. Now I will show you. Before you go to the next part, if you haven't already tried the homework on your own, you need to do that. You should be correcting it with the video. You shouldn't be doing all of it with the video, although it's okay to get a little help if you got a little bit lost. Make sure you try it on your own first. Okay, so notice I'm putting in the carets, and I'm showing that from 12 to 24, it's adding 12. From 24 to 36, it's adding 12. From 36 to 48, it's adding 12. And from 48 to 60, it's adding 12. These are my y carets. Now I have to do the same thing on the x side, so I'm showing from 4 to 8, it's adding 4. 8 to 12 is adding 4. 12 to 16 is adding 4, and 16 to 20 is adding 4. If you didn't show this work, the y carets and the x carets, please add that in now. Now I have to divide. I'm on step 3 now. I have to divide the change in y carets by the change in x carets. So I'm taking this 12, because all the change in y carets were 12. I'm taking 12, and I'm dividing it by, the line means divide, 4, because all the change in x carets were 4. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. That means my equation is y equals 3x. Okay, same 3 steps. I put in my x carets, and 18, this was actually a typo, and so I'll know that you watched the video if you fix this typo. It said 39, it should have been 36. So 18 to 36 is 18, and 36 to 54 is 18, and 54 to 72 is 18, and 72 to 90 is 18, and 90 to 108 is also 18. Those are my change in y carets. Now I have to repeat that over here. From 2 to 4 is 2, from 4 to 6 is 2, from 6 to 8 is 2, from 8 to 10 is 2, and from 10 to 12 is 2. So now my change in y carets, which were the 18s, divided by, the line means divide, my change in x carets, which were 2, 18 divided by 2 is 9, y equals 9x is my equation. Now there should be 4 reasons why each of these two tables is proportional, and so I have to write all 4 reasons down here. Number 1, they could work backwards to 0. If I subtracted 12 here, I'd get 0. If I subtracted 4 here, I'd get 0. On this table, if I did 18, take away 18, I'd get 0. If I did 2, take away 2, I'd get 0. Both tables work backwards to get 0. They have a constant rate of change. This table has a constant rate of change of 3. That's what I got when I did the y carets divided by the x carets. And this table has a constant rate of change of 9. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. The ratios are equal, so I used 12 over 4 and 24 over 8, because you can take your ratios right from the table. And 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 24 divided by 8 is 3. So both of these ratios is equal to 3, which means they're equal to one another. And then the last thing, if you double one, you double the other. So if I double x, I double y too. So when I doubled 4 to make 8, I also doubled 12 to make 24. And over here, when I doubled 2 to get 4, I also doubled 18 to get 36. And so all 4 of these, if all 4 of these are true, then these two tables are proportional. And you're now done with your homework. Make sure that you're showing work, and make sure you had all 4 of these reasons. Have a great night, guys. Bye.